This is a dried up waterfall that we're walking on. Now we're finally getting the picture. Oh goodness. So during the rainy season, this is like walking on dried up Niagara Falls, Barbara. Barb, be careful. Don't you dare go up there. This is our car and driver van, the Toyota van. We were promised a nicer van that never happened, but it's not bad. I'm fascinated by the trucks that you see around India. This is not particularly great. They are usually, by the way, this is our driver asking for directions. That's typical. They don't have maps or anything else. They just ask people. It's quite surprising. But anyway, so this is what a truck looks like. But some of them are really beautifully decorated in the front and play this melodic music as they're driving along. We're on our way to find waterfall down this country lane in an agricultural district.
सीधा जाके आगे डूंगर से रोड पे भीमलत कोड ला रहा है। डूंगर कितना होगा यहाँ से? तो एक 1.5
And we come to a stop. Why do you stop? Why do you stop?
Come on. Stop the buffalo.
Step on it. Come on. We arrive at a point where the road seems to stop. Can't drive further. Not quite sure why our driver took us here. It's supposed to be a waterfall here. Don't see a waterfall. Just a pond. Wow, this is wild. This is getting quite interesting as this rock escarpment ahead of us seems to lead to a deep canyon. And there's even a sign over here. Probably says don't go there, but it's in Hindi. Slowly proceeding to the edge of the Grand Canyon or something like that. This almost looks like a riverbed, Barb. Yeah, almost looks like, oh, I see. So maybe this is the waterfall. Yeah, oh my God, this is a dried up waterfall that we're walking on. Now we're finally getting the picture. Oh goodness. So during the rainy season, this is like walking on dried up Niagara Falls, Barbara. Amazing. Barb, be careful. Don't want you falling off the Grand Canyon. Well, what do you see?
I see water down there.
Yeah.
I hear waterfalls, but I think it's over.
Oh my goodness. Yeah, this would be an Indiana Jones type of point of interest.
Should I go on that rock?
Do a jump.
Should I go on that rock there, Holly?
You are not going on that, Barb. Do not go on that rock. Stand near the end of it, but no, I mean, don't mean near the end of it, but near the far end of it. Don't you dare go up there. Formidable outcrop as I stumble along. Oof. Wow, look at this. This is stunning. Stunning scenery. We're with our driver, Tarun. Barb, look back. Look back. Oh, that is phenomenal. Might be the highest waterfall in India. So beautiful. It's not Iguazu Falls in South America that I saw, but it's lovely.
They are not allowed for the drinking. Just to stay and see and watch. Not allowed for alcohol, any beers.
Here.
Yeah, the Bhim is the Mahabharat, very old time. Very just like in the King of India, Mahabharat. Krishna.
Krishna.
No, Krishna?
Yeah.
God.
Yeah.
This time is the Mahabharat. The Bhim is the very strong man in the world. That's calling for Bhim Tal.
Yeah. Okay. So over there is the edge of the waterfall. Working our way towards the water. Right there. Just a trickle during rainy season. Wow. This must be just a torrent. Just the torrent. The abyss. Oh, there are the birds. There are the birds. They're so lovely. That's as close as I dare to get. I'm about a yard off the edge. Wish the birds would come. Ah, there's one. Are there any more? And that's where we came from, that side there. Truly remarkable place in India. Right here.
This also you see that here not anything, just forest area.
Yep. Our driver is warning us against those wild cows over there who are alleged to be dangerous, so we're waiting for him to clear the area. And right in this arid territory is an irrigation canal. So I noticed the boys are washing their pants, their clothing, but they're not going swimming. Might be a bit dangerous, right, Barb? If you get caught in there, it's deep. There's no way to get out.
It's fast flowing.
And the camel can't reach the water. He's just scratching his neck there. Yep.
Fast flowing.
Here's how they do laundry in India. You gotta beat the shit out of it. I know I can have the dirtiest socks.
Cows are coming up behind us.
Yeah, cows are coming up behind me.
This little guy, he likes it.
You can have the dirtiest socks and put them into a water basin and nothing comes out of, no dirt comes out of it until you put some soap in it. And this looks like almost a sleeping bag. Look at the dirt coming out of that. See the dirt coming out of that? Oh my gosh, yeah. It's been a while since they laundered that. Interesting. It's going to be clean. Do you have a bit of money for these?
Oh, I don't know.